Before Citywide, I was always employed in sales and sales management positions, high tech and communications primarily. I've always had a desire to have my own business. I had an opportunity because our company was being bought out by another company to take a package. I thought, well, now it's time to do it. I really like the idea of if I was going to move industries, I certainly wouldn't want to do that cold. Franchising became more of a preferred opportunity because they give you that template. I heard about Citywide only through my accountant. I agreed to look at it, and I investigated Citywide along with a number of other business opportunities. I'll never forget when my wife asked me, why Citywide? Why would you do that? You're going to be out cleaning buildings every night. It really is a misperception that my wife had, and a lot of people have. The Citywide model is very clear that we are primarily a management company. The model comes together where you're partnering with the right group of contractors. Let them do what they do well, and then we'll focus on what we do, which is managing customer relationships, strategic planning, new customer acquisition, all those things. And by doing that, we give them that time back, which translates to money in their work, and we basically take that on. A lot of people ask me, why Citywide? Why did I select something that's not consistent with what I've done my whole career? And I always tell them the same thing, because you can't outsource it to China. It is a recurring revenue model, and more importantly, it is something that's necessary even in down economic times. It is a service, or a group of services that people need, whether it's a small town or a huge, city like Chicago or New York. And when I look at my customer base, we cut across all industry and business types. Ultimately, what really has played the biggest role in my success is the template, the model for how you effectively sell to customers, how you effectively price proposals to win. All that is really the meat. What I love about this business, more than almost anything, is I never get bored. Every day there's an element of my time that is strategic planning. There's an element of my time that is managing my leadership team. There's still a good chunk of me trying to help the business grow by customer acquisition. So I would say whether you're from corporate America or anywhere else, if you like to work hard and you want to build something that has virtually no limits on how big it can get, it's a great fit.